Yes, hello friends. Today's our point is nomenclature of ether compound. General formula for ether is R1OR2, otherwise ROR you can say. Both hydrocarbon group may be similar, may be different. Yes, nomenclature of ether compound can be done by two methods, common as well as IUPAC. Now you see, first of all we will try to how can we write the structure of ether. Methyl CH3, then ethyl CH3CH2, then propyl two types of propyl, primary propyl and secondary propyl, then vinyl, then allyl, then phenyl. ये लेंगे. ऑक्सीजन लिखो, both side methyl, both side ethyl, both side primary propyl, both side secondary propyl, both side vinyl, both side allyl, both side ethynyl and both side phenyl. These all ethers are symmetrical ethers because both hydrocarbon groups are same. Then, yes, one ethyl, one methyl, one primary propyl, one methyl, one secondary propyl, one ethyl, one secondary propyl, one methyl, one phenyl, one ethyl, one phenyl. Both hydrocarbon groups are quite different. That's why that ethers are known as a asymmetric ether. Okay. Now, in IUPAC method, if you want to know the common name, yes, in case of symmetric ether, both groups are same. That's why di, then name of alkyl group, methyl ether. This is diethyl ether. This one is di-primary propyl ether, di-secondary propyl ether, di-vinyl ether, di-allyl ether, di-ethynyl ether, di-phenyl ether. In case of asymmetric ether, we should have to follow the alphabetically order. Yes, one side methyl, one side ethyl. So M for methyl and E for ethyl. E will comes before M. That's why ethyl methyl ether. Yes, methyl primary propyl ether. This one methyl secondary propyl ether. Then ethyl secondary propyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. Its common name is anisole. This one is ethyl phenyl ether. Its common name is phenitol. Okay. Then in case of IUPAC name, we should have to ऑक्सीजन को मर्ज करना है एक ग्रुप के साथ. As per IUPAC system, longest hydrocarbon chain is to be mentioned at last. That's why oxygen is to be merged with the alkyl group having less number of carbon atom. If oxygen is merged with carbon, then methoxy. Yes, if oxygen is to be merged with ethyl, then ethoxy. This one is primary propoxy, secondary propoxy. This is vinyloxy, this is allyloxy. Means in IUPAC method, alkoxy word is to be used as a prefix. In common method, ether is to be used as a suffix. Now you see, yes, methyl is to be merged with oxygen. This portion is known as a methoxy. Alkoxyalkane, yes. Methoxy, रिमेनिंग अल्किल ग्रुप ने जितने कार्बन है वो कार्बन वाला अल्केन का नाम मिथाइल नहीं बोलेगा, मिथेन बोलेगा. अल्कोक्सी अल्केन. दिस इज यस इथॉक्सी ग्रुप है. इथॉक्सी इथेन. प्राइमरी प्रोपॉक्सी प्रोपेन. वन प्राइमरी प्रोपॉक्सी प्रोपेन. This is 2, second position pair. Secondary propoxy group. This is known as a secondary propoxy group. Is attached with second carbon. That's why 2 secondary propoxy propane. Ethenoxy ethene. This one is 3 primary propoxy prop 1 in. Yes, 1, 2, 3 थर्ड कार्बन के साथ प्राइमरी प्रोपिनॉक्सी ग्रुप जुड़ा हुआ है. दैट्स वाई प्राइमरी प्रोपिनॉक्सी prop 1 in. Ethoxy ethyne, ethenoxy ethyne, sorry. Then this one is phenoxybenzene. Okay, in case of asymmetric ether, oxygen is to be merged with alkyl group having less number of carbon. Methyl group के साथ merge किया जाएगा, ये मिथॉक्सी बन जाएगा, मिथॉक्सी इथेन. यस, मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप है. यस, फर्स्ट कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. 1 मिथॉक्सी प्रोपेन. This is methoxy group attached with second carbon. That's why 2 methoxy propane. This is ethoxy group जुड़ा हुआ है second carbon के साथ, तो 2 ethoxy propane. This one is methoxybenzene and this one is ethoxybenzene. IUPAC name means in common and IUPAC method. कॉमन मेथड में ईथर वर्ड्स इज टू बी यूज एज ए सफिक्स. कुछ नहीं करने का, पहले यदि सिमेट्रिकल ईथर है तो डाई लिख दो, इसके बाद नेम ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन ग्रुप, देन ईथर लगा दो. व्हेन एसिमेट्रिक ईथर इज प्रेजेंट, एट दैट टाइम यू शुड हैव टू फॉलो द अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर. एंड इन IUPAC मेथड, yes, alkoxy group is to be, alkoxy words is to be used as a prefix. And finally, you should have to mention the name of alkane having longest carbon chain. तो IUPAC nomenclature में ऑक्सीजन को इस ऐसे अल्किल ग्रुप के साथ मर्ज कर दो जिसमें नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम लेस हो. बाकी रिमेनिंग जो अल्किल ग्रुप है उसमें कितने कार्बन है? 2 है तो इथेन बोलो पीछे, यदि 3 है तो प्रोपेन बोलो, 4 है तो ब्यूटेन बोलो, 5 है तो पेंटेन बोलो, जो भी है. ये हो गया नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ यस ईथर कंपाउंड. ओके ऋषि, यस, यहाँ खत्म करते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम हम प्रॉपर्टी पे चलेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.